Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set photo in contact number on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the contact app on your iPhone. You can just open contact or search for contact. Now, if this is what you have, go ahead and select where the contact is located. Select the contact you want to add photo contact to. So let's say this is the contact I want to add it to. Click on it. Click on edit at the top right. Click on add photo. Now go ahead and select photo and then select from either camera or library. Then go ahead and select the photo from your library. You can select all to have access to all photos on your library. Click on the photo you want to use and then hang on. Once you've selected the photo you want to use, then choose the photo filter here. Click on this crop button to crop the photo. Click on check mark at the top right. Click on choose at the top right. Click on customize to customize the photo. Click on choose. Click on done. Then you see the contact poster created. You can edit this again to create poster. So click on poster. Then you see the poster like this. You can come here, choose another photo to set as your poster or use memoji. Click on check mark. Click on done. Now, when next this particular contact calls you, this is what is going to pop, you see. So, and then click on save. Now, this is going to save as the contact photo or contact poster. You see that? So that's exactly how to set photo in contact number on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.